All right, seatbelt repair after accident. So, if you work with salvage cars, you're a rebuilder, you already know what I'm talking about. Locked seatbelts, blown seatbelts, pretensioner jammed, looking for a fix. If you just got into an accident, minor or something major, hit a pothole maybe, hit a deer, hit a curb, your seatbelts are locked. You did some research to find out that these things cost a lot of money. Maybe call the dealer. It's insane. Anyways, Safety Restore, safetyrestore.com fixes these seatbelts. They use OEM parts, 24-hour turnaround, lifetime warranty for a fraction of the price of buying new. As you can see, they got three different types of seatbelts. Single stage, most popular one, got one wire plug, $64.99. Basically, that thing over there has a gas charge, and that goes off during an accident. Once that thing's off, your seatbelt is useless. The dual stage has two parts to it, usually the retractor and the pretensioner, anchor pretensioner. A lot of times it's a one piece, kind of looks like this, just this part, two wire plugs or gas charges and one seatbelt. Regardless, those are $99 a piece, still way cheaper than buying new. And then the triple stage. These things are a little rare in my experience, but they do exist. Duals right here, and then a separate piece here. Anyways, these guys are the best in the industry. These guys can do all makes and models. You want to try other companies out there? You'll be disappointed. I already did that for you. Safety Restore, you mail it in 24 hours and it's out the door ready to be installed. The lifetime warranty is really where it kicks in. Had a package delivered, completely destroyed, seatbelt is jammed up again. Crazy. Call them up, no problem. Lifetime warranty, they fix it. So, how do you get this thing done? Easy. Add to cart, check out, pay for the service, mail it in, and you're good to go. Hey, they also do airbag module resets. So if you got the airbags deployed, your airbags light on, OBD scanners can't erase those things. This is crash data. Module becomes useless. Again, they open up the module, they get inside, they clear everything and make it like new again. $49.99 for this service. Do your research. See how much these things cost new. $800, $1,200. Not to mention every new module has to be programmed to your VIN. Here, your existing module, bam, and you're done. They also do some other stuff like webbing replacements. Maybe you're restoring a classic car, antique, got some frayed seatbelts, old seatbelts, worn out seatbelts, mail it in, they got you. Plenty of colors to choose from here. Oh yeah, they do custom colored seatbelts. So if you want Ferrari red, yellow, purple, choose your color, mail it in, they do that as well. And some other stuff like cluster repairs. That's probably if your gauges are not working or something. I don't know anything about this service. Anyway, seatbelts, if they're locked or jammed, any make or model, this is the highest rated company. I've been using them for the longest time. Mail it in, you won't be disappointed. Be the only company you use. safetyrestore.com